Hello my friends, welcome. Today I'm showing you how to use Jammable AI, a game changer for anyone wanting to make music without hours stuck in a studio. So Jammable AI is a web-based tool that uses artificial intelligence to help you create beats, melodies and full tracks effortlessly. No deep knowledge needed, just your ideas and a little creativity. So you just need to sign up with the account. As you can see, I already have one. Then choose your music style or mood. Pop, hip hop, chill, you name it. Use the AI-powered beatmaker to generate a bass track instantly. Customize by adding your own vocals or instruments, or let the AI suggest layers. Alright, so you just go on Create, Voice Library, and as you can see in here we have a bunch of different AI tools to use and create our first track. So you just press on Create. You can choose the voice to convert or audio to sing. Add a preset, and then press on Select Song. You can also record or select from the library, for example like that. Start cover, etc. Once you're happy, export your track in WAV or MP3 formats. Keep in mind, while AI makes music easier, your personal touch is key to stand out. Jammable also offers paid plans with extra features like high quality exports and collaboration tools, worth checking out if you get serious. So as you can see, you can try it now for a limited amount of time. That's how you use Jammable AI to make music production simple and fun. Guys, hit like if you learned something new, and let me know what beats you create. Catch you next time for more tech tips and tricks.